Hello everyone. SSC GT 2025 third shift analysis February 13. T. Bala Saraswati was associated with which classical dance form? T. Bala Saraswati की शास्त्रीय नृत्य से शैली से संबंधित थी. The answer for this question is Bharatanatyam. Bala Saraswati was a legendary Bharatanatyam dancer from Tamil Nadu. She played a crucial role in popularizing Bharatanatyam worldwide and received several prestigious awards including Padma Vibhushan. The first five-year plan of India was based on which economic model? भारत की प्रथम पंचवर्षीय योजना किस आर्थिक मॉडल पर आधारित थी? The answer for this question is Harrod-Domar model. Harrod-Domar model based on the first five-year plan. The first five-year plan 1951 to 1956 of India was based on Harrod-Domar model, which emphasized investment, savings, and capital formation to promote economic growth. It is focused primarily on agriculture, irrigation, and energy production. Anmol Kharab, an emerging Indian athlete, hails from which state? Anmol Kharab एक उभरती हुई भारतीय एथलीट किस राज्य से संबंधित है? The answer for this question is हरियाणा. Anmol Kharb was born on January 20, 2007 in Faridabad, Haryana. She is known for her achievements in badminton and has represented India in various junior and senior level tournaments. According to 2011 census, which religion has the lowest percentage of the population in India? 2011 की जनगणना के अनुसार भारत में किस धर्म की जनसंख्या प्रतिशत सबसे कम थी? The answer for this question is Jainism. जैन धर्म का प्रतिशत सबसे कम थी. What was the percentage of the Jainism in India's total population according to the 2011 census? 2011 की जनगणना के अनुसार भारत की कुल जनसंख्या में जैन धर्मावलंबी का प्रतिशत कितना था? The answer for this question is 0.4%. According to the 2011 census of India, Jainism had the lowest population percentage accounting 0.4% of the total population. The Jain community is primarily concerned in states like Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Under MNREGA, how many days of guaranteed employment is provided to every rural household in India per financial year? मनरेगा के तहत भारत में प्रत्येक ग्रामीण परिवार के प्रति वित्तीय वर्ष कितने दिनों गारंटी का रोजगार प्रदान किया जाता है? The answer for this question is 100 days. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. What is the full form of MNREGA? Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act provides at least 100 days of unskilled manual work per financial year to every rural household willing to labor intensive work at minimum wages. Rajashri Shirke received the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 2013 for excellence in which classical dance form? राजश्री शिकरे को 2013 में संगीत नाटक अकादमी पुरस्कार किस शास्त्रीय नृत्य शैली से उत्कृष्ट के लिए दिया गया था? The answer for this question is कथक. Rajashri Shikre was honored with the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 2013 for our outstanding contribution to Kathak. Kathak is a major classical dance form of North India. Which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the Uniform Civil Code UCC? भारतीय संविधान का कौन सा अनुच्छेद समान नागरिक संहिता UCC से संबंधित है? The answer for this question is Article 44 अनुच्छेद 44. Article 44 of the Indian Constitution directs the state to implement Uniform Civil Code UCC for all citizens, ensuring uniform laws in marriage, divorce, inheritance and adoption regardless of religion. It is a part of the directive principle of the state policy. Which article of the Indian Constitution is related to the office of the Advocate General for State? भारतीय संविधान का कौन सा अनुच्छेद राज्य के महाविवक्ता एडवोकेटर जनरल के पद से संबंधित है? आर्टिकल 165. Article 165 of the Indian Constitution establishes the office of the Advocate General for the state. Office of the Advocate General for the state, which is the highest law of officer at the state level. Who was appointed as a Union Cabinet Minister for the Parliamentary Affairs and Minority Affairs on June 10, 2024? 10 जून 2024 को संसदीय कार्य और अल्पसंख्यक कार्य के लिए केंद्रीय कैबिनेट मंत्री के रूप में किसे नियुक्त किया गया था? The answer for this question is Kiren Rijiju. Kiren Rijiju is one of the Buddhist members of the parliament in the 18th Lok Sabha. Who published the periodic table in German journal in 1872? 1872 में जर्मन पत्रिकाओं में आवर्त सरणी किसने प्रकाशित की थी? The answer for this question is Dmitry Mendeleev. Dmitry Mendeleev published his periodic table in 1872 in German journal. He arranged elements by atomic weight and lots gap of undiscovered elements which are later discovered and fit perfectly into the table. Who discovered the periodic table? Dmitry Mendeleev in 1872. What is the name of the Tamil harvest festival dedicated to the son of God? The answer for this question is Pongal. सूर्य देव को समर्पित तमिल फसल उत्सव का नाम क्या है? पोंगल है. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu dedicated to Surya, the sun god. It marks the beginning of the Uttarayana. In which year were the first Arjuna Awards given and how many players received them? पहले अर्जुन पुरस्कार किस वर्ष दिए गए थे और कितने खिलाड़ियों को यहाँ सम्मान मिला था? The answer for this question is 1961, 20 players. The Arjuna Award was first introduced in 1961. A total of 20 players were honored for their outstanding achievements in sports. Begum Akhtar was associated with which genres in Hindustani classical music? बेगम अख्तर हिंदुस्तानी शास्त्रीय संगीत के किन विधाओं से जुड़ी थी? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन गजल, दादरा एंड तुमरी. बाय व्हाट टाइटल वाज बेगम अख्तर पॉपुलरली नोन? बेगम अख्तर किस उपाधि से लोकप्रिय रूप से जाना जाता है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्वीन ऑफ गजल्स. मलाइका ई गजल, गजलों की मालिका. Thank you for watching. These are the key answer analysis of the February 13th third shift.